This is a message from the Occupational Safety Administration. A series of unusual fatalities have been reported across multiple regions. Preliminary autopsies indicate the presence of various toxic compounds typically found in certain plant species, such as alkaloids, terpenoids, tannins, and glycosides. These substances are highly toxic and can cause severe harm if ingested. Residents are advised to exercise extreme caution and avoid contact with unknown plant life. Do not consume any wild plants or use them for medicinal purposes without proper identification and guidance from a qualified expert.
Staggering intellect of a million